today we're going to talk about how to integrate Power BI and Power Apps. So integrating Power Apps into Power BI is a great way to make your data more accessible. Users can both enter and interact with data as well as view it in Power BI's report format. So the first step is select the Power Apps for Power BI visual. And then step 2 is to select a field from our data source. So the index number, I'm going to pull that into this data well. Step 3 is to click choose an app. So I'm going to click add. So now our app has been added into this report. Step 4 is going to be to publish this report to Power BI service. So I'm going to click on publish, and I'm just going to use my workspace for now. So step 5 will be to integrate our Power App in our Power BI dashboard. Click on edit. And now we're going to click on these 3 dots and we're going to click on edit again. Over here, there's a new section called Power BI integration. And what this can do is this can receive information from your Power BI report and pass them through to Power Apps. Step 6, we're going to set up filtering in Power Apps. Select our gallery. We're going to write out a quick filter statement. So filter, we're going to filter it on the index number. So step 7, we're going to save and publish our Power App. And then you'll see now we can filter our Power App based on whatever we click on in Power BI.